Curious about Interactive Brokers? They have a great reputation, but do they live up to the hype? Hi, I'm Eric from FXEmpire.com. With over 80 Forex brokers reviewed this year alone, we truly know what defines a top-notch broker. We've tested Interactive Brokers and are ready to answer all of your questions. How well do they protect your funds? Are their trading fees and spreads really competitive? Do they offer a wide range of markets to suit your trading style? We'll also take you on a tour of Interactive Brokers' trading platforms. And finally, we'll give you our honest take on trading with Interactive Brokers and explain who this broker is best suited for. So stay tuned for the full scoop on Interactive Brokers. Let's dive in. Established in 1978, Interactive Brokers is a trading industry pioneer and a publicly traded company on the NASDAQ exchange. It's regulated by 10 top-tier authorities worldwide. Traders can access over 8 million tradable instruments from brokers' proprietary trading platforms. But is Interactive Brokers the right fit for you? Before we dive into the details, remember, if you're interested in checking out Interactive Brokers for yourself at any point during this video, you can click the link in the description below or the top right corner for the best offer available in your region. First, let's take a look at the broker's trading platforms. Do they offer tools and features essential for effective trading? Interactive Brokers offers several proprietary trading platforms. The IBKR Trader Workstation is their flagship desktop platform catering to intermediate and advanced traders. It features rapid order entry tickets, multi-leg strategy builders, and customizable layouts, making it ideal for short-term day traders. The new IBKR Desktop platform has a more streamlined interface, making it great for beginners. It provides built-in market scanners and useful fundamental data that can offer a good edge to longer-term news traders. Both platforms provide access to 150 worldwide markets and millions of tradable instruments. The IBKR Client Portal offers an easy-to-use web interface for placing and managing orders, but lacks charting functionality. It's mainly for traders who use an external third-party charting platform. The IBKR mobile and global trader apps provide on-the-go trading solutions. While they don't offer high customization or market scanners, they do include advanced features like advanced order types, an options spread grid, sophisticated charting, and access to leading market research. However, Interactive Brokers doesn't offer third-party platforms such as MetaTrader 4, which is popular with many traders. Now, let's briefly tour the broker's proprietary platforms and mobile app. Here we have the flagship IBKR Trader Workstation platform, also known as TWS. This is a very powerful desktop platform designed for intermediate and advanced traders. The standard layout is made up of 6 windows: order entry, quote details, charts, activity, monitor, and news. From the order entry window, you can place buy or sell orders and select the quantity, the order type, and time in force conditions. From the quote details window, you can view more information about the instrument that you're working with, like the bid-ask prices and the high and low for the day. Next to the quote details panel, you can view the chart of the correlated instrument and access a wide range of technical indicators and drawing tools. The activity window allows you to track your open orders, your history of trades, and provides a summary. From the monitor panel, you can view your portfolio and your live P&L, custom watch lists, pre-configured watch lists, and the results of various scans like top US movers. And finally, the news panel provides the latest story from sources like Reuters and Dow Jones. And since we specialize in Forex at FX Empire, we'll take a quick look at the FX Trader interface within the TWS platform. IBKR offers interbank quality spreads as low as 1/10 of a pip, and the grid layout makes it easy to see the bid offer prices and the associated volume. 20 order types, including trailing stops and brackets, are available, and you can also enter orders with a single click. Next, we'll do a walkthrough of the IBKR Desktop platform. This intuitive platform is designed for beginner and intermediate level traders. On the left here, we have a vertical navigation bar, and at the top of the platform, you can find a search field and account statistics, including net liquidity and your daily P&L. Now, let's go through the vertical menu on the left here. To start out with, we've got the portfolio panel where you can see your open positions, your open orders, history of trades, and various account details. Underneath the portfolio, we have the watch list panel where you can view custom and thematic watch lists. From the quotes panel, you have watch lists, robust charting from TradingView, and the order ticket all on the same screen. The screeners panel allows you to sort stocks and ETFs by a wide range of parameters. The news panel features updates from sources like Reuters and Dow Jones. Especially like that you can pull up stories related to the instruments in your portfolio. Now let's go through the IBKR mobile app, which allows you to trade thousands of instruments from over 150 global markets from the palm of your hand. From the home tab here, you can see a snapshot of your account value and your open positions. And in the portfolio tab, you can track your open positions, your account balances, and your pending orders. In the trade tab, we'll tap on any instrument here and tap on buy to pull up the order ticket, which features both standard and advanced order types. From the watch list tab, you can view both custom and pre-configured watch lists. And finally, from the markets tab, you can track market news, analysis, and access research from third-party sources like Trading Central and Acuity. Our score for Interactive's platforms and tools is 4.6 out of 5. Now, let's have a look at their trading fees. How much will spreads and commissions actually cost you, and how do they compare to other leading brokers? We tested Interactive spreads on various instruments using its standard account at the peak trading times in the London and New York trading sessions. Interactive Brokers is generally recognized as having the lowest costs in the industry. Our hands-on tests of Forex and CFD instruments have actually shown this to be true. While the broker does charge a commission per trade, these are also among the lowest in the business. For example, we found the spread for Euro USD to average 0.2 pips, which is several times better than the industry average of 1.3 pips. There is a $2 commission per lot, which also beats the $3.50 industry average. We even found exceptional spreads on cross rates, with the British pound Japanese yen spread averaging 1.1 pips, far better than the 2.3 pips industry average. Overall, we calculated the total cost of a trade, including spreads and commissions, is far lower than the industry average and extremely competitive across all asset classes. This makes Interactive Brokers ideal for all types of traders, especially short-term day traders. The broker also caters well to stock traders. Trading 100 Apple shares resulted in a spread of just 1 cent and a commission of only $1. With such low trading costs, Interactive Brokers truly excels in this area. When choosing a broker to trade with, safety should always be a top priority. How well does Interactive Brokers protect your funds? Let's take a closer look. Interactive Brokers is a publicly traded company listed on the NASDAQ exchange. It has entities licensed by 8 Tier 1 regulators, including the UK FCA, Australian ASIC, Canadian IROC, and the US CFTC and SEC. So what does this practically mean for you? All of its global entities hold client funds in segregated accounts. This means your funds are always available and never mixed with the company's money. 5 entities also offer a negative balance protection policy. This stops your account from going below zero if the market moves against you. Plus, 4 entities provide access to an investor compensation scheme, protecting your money even if the broker goes bankrupt. With over 45 years of experience and a market cap of over $30 billion US, Interactive Broker has proven stable and safe to trade with. For these reasons, we've given Interactive a top trust score of 4.9 out of 5. Finally, we tested the tradable instruments. Interactive Brokers offers access to 150 markets in 34 countries and in 27 currencies. This amounts to more than 8 million tradable instruments covering Forex, stocks, bonds, commodities, indices, futures, options, CFDs, and mutual funds. If you're based outside of the US, you can benefit from trading more than 7,500 CFDs on Forex, global stocks, indices, commodities, and metals. Additionally, most traders can invest in real stocks from nearly every country with an open stock market. You can also trade real futures contracts and options directly on relevant exchanges. For advanced portfolio managers, there are millions of structured products like bonds covering global markets and including government securities, municipal securities, and corporate bonds. Overall, the range of tradable instruments is far better than the industry average, resulting in a score of 4.5 out of 5 for this category. In just a moment, we'll share our verdict on Interactive Brokers, but first, give me 20 seconds to tell you a bit about us and why you can trust our insights. Our team is a mix of seasoned analysts and pro traders. We've been reviewing Forex brokers for 12 years now, and this year alone, we've tested 80 Forex brokers. This gives us a deep understanding of the industry, so we know what truly defines a top-notch broker. So, is Interactive Brokers the right choice for you? Let's recap on what the broker brings to the table. Founded in 1978, it is a well-regulated broker and publicly traded company valued at over $30 billion. Over 8 million instruments cover most of the asset classes from around the world, allowing you to invest in real stocks, futures, and options. There are also over 7,500 CFDs that can be traded on Forex, stocks, indices, commodities, and metals. Its trading fees are among the lowest in the industry. All of the proprietary trading platforms are top-notch and offer direct market access execution for the best and fastest trading conditions. There are premium research and educational tools that can help take your trading to the next level. On the downside, we found that the customer support can be hard to reach. Beginners may find their website confusing. The broker also offers a limited amount of commodity CFDs. Plus, they don't offer MT4 or other third-party platforms for those who prefer them. So, who is the broker best suited for? Ultimately, Interactive Brokers is suited to intermediate and advanced traders, as well as portfolio managers seeking a wide range of markets for diversification. Short-term and algorithmic-based traders will benefit from ultra-low trading fees and a high level of customization. But the broker has also launched platforms catering to beginner traders, as well as an extensive range of educational materials. This includes over 65 finance courses in the Interactive Brokers Traders Academy. In our evaluation, we awarded the broker an overall score of 4.4 out of 5, making its offerings near excellent for intermediate and advanced traders. Interested in giving them a go? Just click the link in the description or top right corner to head straight to their site. You can also check the more detailed review of the broker on our website. Share your thoughts, comment with any questions about Interactive Brokers, or suggest brokers for our future reviews. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more trading insights. We'll see you in the next video.